Now, coming on to the topic of calculated field. Now, what is a calculated field? Calculated field is basically the calculations that we done, the simple calculations that we do, wherein to create some additional or some extra columns in that fact. That is called as the calculated field. Okay. So what are the topics that how you demonstrate? Like basically a simple calculation, for example, like addition of anything or subtraction of anything, or maybe concatenating the columns together, all these stuff. So that is called as the calculated field. Okay. That is called as your calculated field in a very normal term. So let's see how this topic works. So this topic basically, whenever you want to calculate a field, the steps are, you basically go into the worksheet. Let's see an example of using a calculated field. So let's say in this case, I want to have a calculated field. Now, how I can create a calculated field basically? So I need to either I can go to analysis, or I can go to create a calculated field, and whatever the calculations I want to create for, I can do that. For example, over here, I have done one calculation, which was of profit ratio. That's sum of profit divided by sum of sales, and I'm getting that profit ratio. So this was one of the calculation I did. So you can simply add up your calculations either from here. So if you click on this arrow also and click on calculated field, you will also get the data from here as well. Okay. So that can also be done. Okay. So that's how we can write our calculations and we can work on it. So as I have done over here, I have put this aggregated ratio, and then I'm going to see my calculated field over here. So that was about the calculated field. So these are the steps. You can enter the formula, calculations, and you're good to go. So there are some links where you have formatting calculations in Tableau or functions in Tableau, which you can open up and you can see all of them.